All right, got my CLICK PLC here, and I'm checking the current draw because I'm planning to make some changes. I built two PLC trainers about 4 years ago, one with the CLICK, one with the Micrologics, and I don't have the Micrologics PLC anymore. I sold it. So I'm going to move this to that trainer because I like that trainer better. It's simpler. This one I built very complex, 2 power supplies, terminal blocks, yada yada. It doesn't need all that for a trainer. I want to do a single power supply when I switch it over, so I need to plan for that. I need to know how much current we're drawing. So let's see, this will go, oh, I meant to, there, max. So this power supply feeds the indicators and the switches, you know, the field device power supply, so to speak. I'll let that cycle again one more time, but these indicators are rated about 20 milliamp a piece, and we're getting, yeah, close to 100 milliamp, so that makes sense. The only other thing on there are the switches, so that's good. Go ahead and connect that again. I am going to use ferrules when I redo this. I didn't do that before. It'll be a good excuse to try using those in a project. There we go. Make it neater and easier to take things apart. Okay, so now I'm going to check this supply. Slide that down just a little because we have the mains down here we don't want to touch. There we go. Just open that up a little more. Okay, same thing. So I'll reset this max and that way, yeah. .43 it's topping out at. So around 50, so we're about 150 milliamp total. Could be more, obviously, if you add more indicators or if you're using more of the outputs on the PLC, because it's switching the transistors inside. I forget how many outputs it has. But yeah, that gives me an idea of where I'm at. This is obviously the power supply that is from the CLICK PLC line. It matches it nicely. So I was figuring on using that. It's rated for 500 milliamp, half an amp, so it'll do everything we need with room left over. If it was going to be tight for some reason, I didn't think it would, but I didn't have a good sense for how much current the PLC itself draws. This old Omron supply is rated for 600 milliamps, so that was an option. But yeah, that's it for today. I just needed to know what kind of power needs I'm going to have when I move this, if I can go to one power supply, which I can. I plan to do some videos, record that when I'm reconfiguring things and how I wire it. I've had a handful of people ask me questions about how I built the trainers, how I wired things, so maybe I'll try to do some new videos on that. I've thought about doing that for a long time. Haven't had time. Can't say I have a lot of time now, but maybe if I do a little bit here and there and get it done. So anyways, 150 milliamp. Thanks for watching. Happy Thanksgiving. See you for the next video.